Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show us how we can solve this tricky algebraic equation easily. Alright, so solution. Now, x must not be equals to plus or minus 1, right? Because if our x is minus 1 or plus 1, this equation will become undefined. Okay, this will become undefined, and whatever answer we get must not be equals to plus or minus 1. All right, so from here, what I will do is I will carry this to the other side, and it becomes x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to 4 minus, I'll write this, x plus 1 over x minus 1. All right, so from here, I would simplify this. So I have x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to, this becomes 4 over 1 minus x plus 1 over x minus 1. Okay, so from here we can find the LCM. Alright, so let's find the LCM of this. So we have x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to, the LCM is x minus 1. Alright, so how many 1 can we see? We see x minus 1. Multiply by this 4. That will be 4x minus 1 minus, how many x minus 1 can we see? It is 1. Multiply by x plus 1. Okay, so we have x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to, you open this bracket, 4 times x is 4x, 4 times minus 1 is minus 4, minus 1 times x is minus x, and then minus 1 times plus 1 is minus 1, then x minus 1. Okay, so we have x minus 1 over x plus 1 equals to, here we have 4x minus x, we give 3x, then minus 4 minus 1, we give minus 5 over x minus 1. So from here we can cross multiply. Let's cross multiply. Alright, so this multiply this, we have x minus 1 multiply x minus 1, and then this multiply this, we have x plus 1 multiplying 3x minus 5. Okay, so let's open the bracket. X times x will give us x squared, x times minus 1 will give us minus x, minus 1 times x will give us minus x, minus 1 times minus 1 will give us plus 1 equals to, x times 3x will give us 3x squared, x times minus 5 will give us minus 5x, plus 1 times 3x will give us plus 3x, plus 1 times minus 5 will give us minus 5. Alright, so we have x squared minus x will give us minus 2x plus 1 equals to, here we have minus 5x plus 3x will give us minus 2x, then minus 5. So what we do here is to collect like terms. Let's collect like terms. So we have 3x squared, bring this plus x becomes minus x squared. We have minus 2x here, bring this minus 2x to this side, become plus 2x. Then we have minus 5, bring this plus 1 and it becomes minus 1. Everything equals 0. Alright, so now 3x squared minus x squared will give us 2x squared, minus 2x plus 2x will cancel, minus 5 minus 1 will give us minus 6. Everything equals 0. Now let's take minus 6 to the other side. So we have 2x squared equals to, this becomes plus 6. Divide both sides by 2, divide this by 2, this cancels this, so we have x squared equals to 2 here 1, 2 in 6 is 3. Alright, how do you find x? Take the square root of both sides. The square root of both sides. You take the square root of both sides. Alright, so we have x squared square root, and here will become plus or minus square root 3. So the square cancel the square root. We have x equals to plus or minus 3. Alright, so this is our answer. X is equals to plus or minus 3. Remember that I said our x must not be equals to plus or minus 1, and what we have here is far from plus or minus 1. Alright, so let's try something similar. Let's try this. Let's solve for x, right? So we have x minus 2 over x plus 2 plus x plus 2 over x minus 2. Everything equals 6. Okay, and then make sure that our domain x is not equals to plus or minus 2. Okay, our x must not be equals to plus or minus 2. Now let's solve this and write our answer in the comment section. Thanks guys for joining. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.